Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Yes. You had 2 on your feet and 2 on your arms. Bah! Bah! I've been wanting these for years. I'm so excited. Damn, I can't wait to try them on. Without further ado, I think I shall try them on. After carefully reading the instruction manual, of course. Whoa, this is badass. I knew I was meant for this. Just had a feeling that this was gonna be perfect for me. Oh man, this is so badass. Oh my god, I can't wait to take these out for a spin or for a ride. Damn, this is so cool. I can't wait. This is so fun. This is so sweet.